everybody, आप देख रहे हैं Girls Republic and I am Serish. It is 3:30. आज Monday का दिन है and today on my show I have two very special guests. Now, जब मैं RJ बनी थी तो मैं इन दोनों RJs का शो सुनती थी और मुझे ideas भी थोड़े मिल जाते थे. I'm admitting it and I'm a huge fan और काफी सालों से मैं वेट कर रही हूँ कि मैं उनका इंटरव्यू करूँ, but unfortunately their timings were not I couldn't, get in touch with them and their timings are different from my timings. But finally, my channel has worked a deal out and today they're here on my show and I'm very excited. I'm sure आप लोगों ने भी उनका शो सुना है. They are the awesome RJs of Radio 1 FM 91. Binish and Ali. Assalamualaikum. How are you?
We're doing very well, thank you.
Finally.
Quite an intro.
Oh, I have been a fan of yours. I was just telling you. The first thing I came in, and I'm pretty excited that you guys are here today.
We're actually quite excited to be here as well,
That's great. So how are you guys doing today? Enjoying the weather?
Oh, it was quite a
hot.
Deal to walk from the car parking to the studio.
Really hot. And the lights don't help.
No.
They don't help at all.
That's also true.
So, you guys have been doing radio for a very long time. काफी साल हो गए, 2006 से.
2005. It'll be 6 years on 1st of July.
Right. और मैं आपका शो सुनती थी क्योंकि मेरा शो का वक्त खत्म हो जाता था 1 बजे. And I used to be sitting in the car and I'd be listening to you guys on my radio. And I used to enjoy your show. कभी-कभी topics के idea मैं चुरा लेती थी.
अब तो actually इतना time हो गया है shows करते हुए. It's like almost 6 years now.
Right.
और अली और मैंने जब join भी किया था Radio 1 FM 91 तब this self had just started.
Right.
So it's been a very long journey but a good journey.
And I think we didn't start off with Munch on Lunch.
Right.
They actually said क्योंकि you're new तो हमने recorded show किया था रात को.
Right.
तो record करे थे rock and pop music. That picked up, so they said, okay, let's give you a 3-hour live show on Sunday.
Right.
Wo pick up and then they finally gave us the lunch slot.
Okay, and it's been such a long time now.
It's actually the longest running lunch show that I think I'd like to believe on any other station.
I'm sure it is because I've been listening to it and you still guys have. Did you just come now from the?
We just came and we had to sort of apologize to all the listeners that we have to sign on TV now.
Oh, okay, great. I hope that they have tuned in and a lot of people are very. They always wonder, okay, what do your RJs look like? So finally, for those people who have never seen the two of you, here they are. And do you ever get that, okay, what do you look like?
We do.
आवाज अच्छी है.
हमने एक show किया था topic, and we said, okay, fine, you guys tell us what we look like, and the person who's the closest guest, we'll give them like a CD or something. So काफी लोगों ने message किया, and some people were like, we think Ali wears jeans, and
it was like a really weird.
Everybody thought that I was chubby.
Really?
थोड़े से गोलू से क्यूट से चबी से नहीं ये शॉर्ट से and तो completely opposite and I think Binish का they pretty much almost got it
because I had already radio television मैंने एक साथ शुरू किया था but television then I stopped after a bit so they had already seen me and plus the advantage was having a dad in the industry so obviously that was like a plus.
Right. So that's how did you get into radio? We'll start with Binish and then we'll move on.
Radio actually me and Ali were at Indus Valley. We were Ali was my senior and I had just joined.
Okay, so when did you graduate?
Well, I had left in the middle, but Ali was doing his architecture. I was doing my communication design. So हुआ ये था कि common friends हमारे बहुत थे, and we really were college के chatterbox जो होते हैं ना, मतलब कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा. We used to like talk a lot. So there's this one friend of ours who she said, why don't you guys try radio? तुम लोग इतना बोलते हो, why don't you try radio? And we just auditioned. There was this new station at that time, FM 91, और एक friend थे उधर. They like arranged an audition. और audition हमें जाके दी. 2 महीने तक हमें कोई जवाब नहीं आया.
Actually 3 audition दिए हमने पहले क्या audition दिए. फिर अच्छा अब आके पूरा audition उर्दू में दें.
Wow.
अब पूरा इंग्लिश में.
चलो हम उर्दू में ही बात करेंगे अभी से. ठीक है तो आप लोग हमें कॉल कीजिए. It's a live show. The number is on your screen right now, and you can send us an SMS. GR space your name space and send it to 4646. Okay, so we're going to take a call right now. Ali and Binish, let's take a call. Hello. Oh, ये तो हो जाता है आपके साथ. Yeah, that was. I'm really sorry about that. लेकिन रेडियो पर भी ऐसा हो जाता है.
बहुत होता है. लाइव का तो एक अलग ही.
It's true. On Saturday I was a guest on Radio 191, or I could see the phone lines were ringing, and it's. रेडियो करना मुश्किल होता है.
मुश्किल होता है और हमेशा यही कहते हैं. अभी कुछ दिनों पहले भी we were at another channel. यही हम सबको कह रहे थे that television and radio they're equally डिफिकल्ट, मगर मुझे ऐसा लगता है क्योंकि मैंने दोनों किए हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि रेडियो इज मोर चैलेंजिंग।
इट इज,
क्योंकि आपकी सिर्फ आवाज होती है, पीपल कांट रियली सी यू, एंड ऑल्सो यू हैव टू जितना आपको कुछ भी कहना होता है, कन्विंस करना होता है, दैट्स जस्ट योर वॉइस।
इट्स ट्रू,
सो या।
एंड आई थिंक although I think रेडियो एंड टीवी दोनों चैलेंजिंग है, बट आई थिंक व्हेन यू एंजॉय यू टू डू समथिंग राइट, अगर आपको रेडियो इट्स बिकम बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अ जॉब, इट बिकम्स सॉर्ट ऑफ अ पैशन, ओह शिट आई मिस्ड माय शो टुडे, आई एम फीलिंग रियली लाइक, इट्स लाइक पीपल हु गो टू द जिम, एक आदत पड़ जाती है राइट, तो एक आदत पड़ जाती है टू कम ऑन टीवी और कम ऑन रेडियो, इफ यू मिस इट सो इट्स बिकम पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, बिकॉज लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि हाउ क्विकली अर्ली डू यू गो, तुम्हारी स्क्रिप्ट होती है, स्क्रिप्ट कौन लिखता है, आई लिटरली गो 5 minutes बिफोर, आई सिट डाउन एंड स्टार्ट।
You've been doing it for 6 years now.
अब तो कोई नींद में भी उठा के बोले सुबह 4 बजे रेडियो शो
हमने किया था, we had a 91-hour show,
right? You had 91 hours,
so we had literally like I think one day on the last day I came on at 10 in the morning, I left at 6 in the morning. So 10 in the night I came on, and 6 in the morning, so all night long. And हम गाने चला रहे, मुझे प्लीज कॉफी ला दें, कुछ कॉफी ला दें।
हमारी 6th एनिवर्सरी के लिए था वो, एंड उसमें बेसिकली ये था कि वी वर ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट जो कि कभी नहीं हुआ, सो हमने किया क्या कि क्योंकि 91 इज अ फ्रीक्वेंसी, तो वी डिड लाइक अ शो व्हिच वाज नॉन स्टॉप ऑन फॉर 91 आवर्स। तो उसमें सिर्फ हम नहीं थे, द होल टीम और भी काफी आर्टिस्ट थे, मगर जो स्लॉटिंग थी वो 5-5, 6-6 घंटे के नॉन स्टॉप,
और 2-3 लोग एक साथ थे, मगर it's you don't get breaks, the only break you get is your commercial break, which is 1 या 2 minute की long.
Right, that's true.
So it was so much fun. It was so much fun.
That sounds like fun. I can't imagine. मैं तो 2 घंटे 3 घंटे थक जाता हूँ।
I think मेरा तो मजाक रहा था, because पहली रात जब मैं आया था तो I got a thermos of chai and a chocolate biscuits का packet. And it's like यहाँ खाना है, I don't know.
गाँव में शो करने जा रहे हैं।
My wife gave it to me. Please take it.
Okay, we're going to take a call right now. Hello.
हेलो अस्सलाम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम, क्या हाल है आपके?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसी हो?
बिल्कुल ठीक है। दिस इज फाइजा।
यस।
ऑलराइट फाइजा, हाउ आर यू?
मैं वो बहुत खुश भी और अच्छी भी हूँ।
आप खुश हो?
यस।
क्यों क्यों क्यों?
मेरे पेपर्स फाइनली खत्म हो गए।
फाइनली, दैट्स द बेस्ट। गुड न्यूज होता है जब पेपर्स खत्म हो जाए। आपके रिजल्ट्स आ गए हैं वापस?
नहीं, अभी तक तो नहीं, ये 6 महीने बाद आएंगे।
6 महीने बाद हो तो 6 महीने की टेंशन होगी आपको?
नहीं।
नहीं, आप रिलैक्स कर दोगी, आराम से बैठ जाओगी?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. I would be really tense. अगर 6 महीने बाद मेरे results आ रहे हैं, I would be really tense. Okay, so Faiza, we have 2 awesome RJs today, Ali and Binish. And do you have any questions for them? कुछ आप पूछना चाहोगी?
नहीं, एक्चुअली कोयटा के जो है आर्टिस्ट अलग और वहाँ के अलग, तो मैंने उनको कभी देखा नहीं और सुना भी नहीं है। I have no idea about them.
Oh, do you have a?
We are on network. मतलब across Pakistan, सिर्फ कराची में नहीं शो आता, but I'm not too sure about Quetta.
लेकिन आप ऑनलाइन कैच कर सकते हैं।
मगर आप ऑनलाइन सुन सकते हैं वेबसाइट के थ्रू।
राइट। आपने कभी रेडियो सुनती हो आप फाइजा?
पहले सुनती थी, अभी नहीं।
अभी सुनो www.fm91.com.pk जी, एंड वहाँ पे आप ऑनलाइन सुन सकती हो ऑल द शोज, स्पेशली मंच ऑन लंच 1 to 3 PM, ठीक है?
ओके।
और फिर 3:30 के बाद आप मेरा शो देख लेगा, ठीक है?
थैंक यू।
ओके, ऑलराइट, बाय।
It's really interesting how Sarah knows more about our show than than us. It's quite overwhelming. Actually,
I've told you, I've been a fan for the longest time, and I was actually a fan of 91. And one day मैं एक फ्रेंड के साथ आई थी आपके स्टेशन, and she wanted to intern. तो वहाँ पे आपके एक इकबाल साहब होते हैं और उसने कहा था आप ऑडिशन कीजिए, and I was like no, मुझे नहीं करना। कहते नहीं, आप करे। But I was really nervous at that time.
You probably do know the drill because you also do.
It's been a lot of fun.
हमारी team है ना, it's a really great team of people we work for. And we have people like Rabia, we have people like Dino, we have Anusha करती थी, we have Naveen Vakar. No, and so a lot of time even अगर शो नहीं होता ना, वो 1 घंटे पहले आ जाएंगे, so we just chill with each other, स्टूडियो में आएंगे, किसी का फेवरेट गाना चल रहा होगा, तो there's a lot of
environment is really
I've noticed कि आप लोग अपने RJs को songs dedicate करते हो क्या?
बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं, more than people dedicate song to the RJs.
I've heard that, but that seems like fun. So when we come back from the break, we're going to talk about Ali, because he is an architect, wow, and he's an RJ, and lots, and what did he do, and how is university life? So we're going to come back and we're going to talk about that. So stay tuned to Girls Republic. We have Binish and Ali, 2 awesome RJs from Radio 1 FM 91, and I'm sure you have heard their shows. It's been on air for 6 years, so stay tuned. We'll be right back.